In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Zoho books. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the guidance you need to succeed. Let's dive right in. First, your journey begins at the Zoho Books website. You can simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or search for Zoho Books to locate their site. Once you arrive there, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface designed to make navigation a breeze. At this stage, resist the temptation to explore the various features and focus on moving forward with your purchase. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage. Here you'll see a Sign In button. Click on it. Now, if you have a Zoho account, you'll need to enter your login details to continue. If you do not have an account yet, this is the perfect opportunity to create one. The process is simple and straightforward, requiring just a few basic details. Once logged in, you are ready to proceed to the next step. After signing in, you'll be guided to the Zoho Books home section. You should take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page, as it contains several useful links and tools to enhance your Zoho experience. However, for the purpose of buying Zoho books today, your primary focus should be on a specific section that allows you to make your purchase. Now look for a button or link that says subscribe. Clicking on subscribe initiates the process of becoming a Zoho customer. This is where you will begin to see the various plans and options available. Each plan caters to different business needs, so it's a good idea to invest a little time in understanding which plan is right for you. Remember to consider factors such as your business size, budget and future needs before making a decision. Once you've chosen your preferred plan, it's time to click on Upgrade Plan. This button might appear under your current subscription plan or along with other plan options. Clicking Upgrade Plan will direct you to the payment page. Here, ensure you have all your payment details ready to streamline the process. After confirming your payment, you will officially be a Zoho Books subscriber. With your plan successfully upgraded, you're all set to start using Zoho Books. Take a moment to navigate through the various features accessible with your new plan, as they can significantly help streamline your accounting tasks and enhance your business operations. And that's it, you've successfully purchased Zoho Books, ready to utilize an excellent tool to manage your business finances. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or explore additional resources provided by Zoho for further guidance.